What is up, guys? Buenos dias. This is Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos. And we are looking at how to say wine in Spanish. And yes, I am French, but I do speak fluent Spanish and Italian as I worked as a winemaker in both countries. So how do you say wine in Spanish? It's pretty straightforward, but there are a couple of subtleties you need to consider and appreciate. It's not like in Italian where the letter V is pronounced like a V in English or in French. In Italian, you would say vino. In Spanish, you wouldn't say vino, but V is pronounced like a B. So simply say Vino. Just pretend there's a B there, and maybe B-E-N-O, Vino. Vino, or B-E-E-N-O, Vino. Vino in Spanish. If you like to learn more about how to pronounce Spanish wines and wines from the rest of the world, if you like to learn more about wine, you found the right channel. Here are videos that you may want to watch next. I'll leave you to it, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of Vino or Vino. Arrivederci. Hasta luego. Au revoir.